Remove the grates and set them aside for later. Next, remove the burners and set them aside for later. Remove the 12 screws on the top panel with a screwdriver. Remove all 7 knobs and rings from the front panel. Open the oven door and remove the 3 screws from under the front panel. Carefully remove the front panel. It's still connected to the unit, so don't fully remove it. Just set it down for now. Locate and remove the 2 screws from under the top panel. Locate and remove the 4 screws on the back of the top panel. Carefully lift and remove the top panel. Replace the old top panel with the new one. Make sure the top panel lines up with the unit and that the burner ports have clear access through the panel. Secure the back of the top panel with the 4 screws from earlier. Secure the front of the top panel with the 2 screws from earlier. Carefully slide the front panel back onto the unit. Secure the front panel to the unit with the 3 screws from earlier. Close the oven door. Slide the knob ring onto the 2 pins on the front panel. Next, slide the spring into the center of the knob ring. Now slide the knob onto the center pin on the unit. Push down to ensure it's securely attached. Continue to add the rest of the knobs and rings to the front panel. Test all the knobs to ensure they spin freely and easily. Secure the top panel to the unit with the 12 screws from earlier. Put the burners back onto the unit. Finally, place the grates back onto the unit.